A private vehicle fell off the Otedola bridge along the Lagos-Ibadan expressway in the early hours of Monday, causing panic among commuters and passers-by. There are reports that the car had 4 occupants, all of whom sustained varying degrees of injury. However, the Lagos State Traffic Management Authority, which confirmed the incident in a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, only stated that the driver was rescued and taken to a nearby hospital. Report of an incident of a car that fell off from the Otedola bridge. The driver has been rescued and taken to the nearby hospital. There is a backlog from Otedola Bridge to Bega Inward Secretariat, but our officers are on scene managing the situation effectively. Other officers are also on ground doing the needful, Lasma said. The crash occurred around the same spot where a gas-laden truck explosion killed at least 6 people weeks earlier. While this recurring incident has generated mixed reactions, with some fearing the safety of lives and properties, we'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.